Hi guys, welcome to our new vlog. For this vlog we left Czech Republic and we are in UK in a very cute town, Leigh on Sea. We started in a harbour here and we're gonna continue along the water and then we're gonna show you also center of this beautiful town. Called the Hatch. It's very hipster cafe, family friendly and spacious. You can sit inside or outside. We loved it because of the space here and the decorations which are also suitable for kids. There's some moving dollies and some Christmas trees and Christmas decorations because it's Christmas time now. You can get espresso for £2, which is great for UK. The decorations here are just interesting and I really love them. There's also a part of a bus next to us. They use it, I think, for storage room. I would love to see that as maybe a place for kids to play because I think people with kids come here mostly often. So yeah, we're gonna see the cake, how it's gonna be, but I recommend this place. So far I really like it.
So got some flat white and some cake. It's okay, not amazing, but it's not bad. For the price in UK, I think it's alright. So it's lemon cake with some fluffy cream and then you got some marmalade sauce here. That is good. It's like a really spongy flavor and then you got like the fresh cream with the marmalade coming all together, so you get like sort of like a smooth blunt taste and then you get like the spike of the marmalade. So the cake is really good. Get into this cottage. It's free entry and it's like a 19th century cottage showing how the fishermen used to live, and you have like sort of things partially made. So in the back, that's where they're making some flour, and you have lamps, you have sitting area, you have like a bit of the view looking outside to the harbour, and you can go upstairs. So you can see here, this is where they used to sleep, and this is free entry. How cool is this? You have the bed on that side. So this is a single bed. I don't think that's part of 19th century. You have also here a chest of drawers. It's so cute, guys. When you walk here on the main street, you got like food shops, you have some cute cafes, they're selling fish and chips, there's families. So it's really worth visiting. And considering I used to live near this area in Essex for a few number of years, I never actually came down this part of town. So this is really cool. So now we're gonna finish walking down the road, we're gonna look at the beach, and then we're gonna go to the Broadway where there's more shops, more cafes, and more food.
last stop is gonna be a fish and chips, because we cannot leave UK without that. And we went to Old Hams, which is fish and chips shops where we went to 6 years ago, and I loved it here. So we're gonna taste if it's gonna be the same. Today we're gonna just sit and relax in this restaurant, because 6 years ago we took it away. So we're gonna wait for our order. Apparently there is this menu which is restaurant special, which is from 11 to 5 p.m. and it's for £8. You get fish or chips and salad and drink, and we got also these buns with butter as a starter. So it's a great menu, great price. So we will see.
Go back to your race.
The food is here. It's just beautiful. So we have some beautiful things here going on. We have the fish, which is the cod, and with some chips, and the fish is just like, oh yeah, so hot. Oof, it's hot. And then they give us with a salad. Normally you're supposed to have this with mashed up peas, but not in this dish. I've got my knife and my fork. Listen to the crunch. So you can see it's just like really crunchy, and then you got like the fillets, which are like really fresh, and then you got the butter on the top and a bit of skin. Before I put salt and vinegar, like I'm supposed to do, or lemon, just for the pure flavor. This is really good. It's like the crunchiness of the butter and the softness of the fish. It's just beautiful.
And then just salt on the chips. I'm not so sure if I'm gonna put the vinegar on mine. I love how the fish is so like still whole piece together. It's not like this thin fish you get in fish fingers, but this is actually like a proper piece of fish. I'm gonna just I love it. Normally, fish and chips, you get this greasy coating and then bitter fish, but this one is really buttery and light, and the coating is light like air. So it just gives the crisp and a little bit of buttery taste to it, but it's buttery on its own. It's just beautiful. But I can see why you put vinegar, because you can actually enhance the flavor with the vinegar and salt, so you get a bit more from that. But I love that. I don't know how they coat the fish, because this is just falling apart. It's beautiful. It's a light dish. It's not greasy or heavy or anything. Nice.
We just come to the end of the vlog. So for our next trip, we're going to London. We're gonna be hitting up Camden Market, Chinatown. So that's gonna be really good. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so that you catch us on the next vlog. So see you later. Bye.